Hi guys, I had a comment on one of my old animatronic videos, and it's actually this one down the bottom here, the mouse. So that gave me an excuse to dig them all out of the loft where they stay in a big plastic bag. There's 13 of them, so I'll do 13 short videos, one for each one, showing what they do, and I'll probably do a compilation on my other channel of all 13. There'll be links in the video description to the original videos in my festive projects playlist or something like that. So check out the video description for the links. Right, this one's probably a favourite. You have to pull his finger. You'll probably guess what he does. Are you ready for this? Apologies.
That's all you're getting this Christmas.
He actually has a series.
Was that on your list? The holiday smells. Ho, ho, ho. Up the chimney I go. There's a gift for you. Come on, sit on my lap. Was that on your list?
I think we've gone all the way through them.
Up the chimney I go.
They seem to have randomised now.
The holiday smells. Come on, sit on my lap.
Yeah, okay.
There's a gift for you.
That'll do. Oh, don't know if he's got any label on him. Yes, he has. Can't quite read that. Was that BHS Limited? British Home Stores. That's a surprise. Thanks for watching, guys. There's always more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to subscribe down here. There's also my latest video up here, and down here is the playlist for these festive animatronics. So thanks very much for watching, much appreciated, and have a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate.